Hi and welcome to Tarot Made Easy. I'm Jo Galloway and I am the author of 21 Doors of Tarot Story. And if you're just starting out on your tarot journey and you are struggling to try and memorize the 78 tarot cards, well, you've come to the right place because this series is exactly what you need. And we're going to kick off today and we're going to jump right in where the Fool is standing at door number 2, and here he meets the High Priestess. Now behind this door is a very, very wise woman who is in tune with all of her 6 senses. She teaches the Fool that not everything that is real can be seen, and she shows him the importance of trusting his intuition and his gut feelings. Now the Fool must have faith that the universe only wants the best for him and that everything in life will appear within divine timing and for his highest good. The Magician, he teaches the Fool to have patience and to be still and listen as the answers that he seeks are all within him. She reveals to the Fool that not everything you need to know can be found in books or from outside sources. Now most of what the Fool needs to know will come from his intuition, his inner voice. The High Priestess teaches the Fool the art of reading between the lines, to find the truth in all matters, and to pay attention to his gut feelings and his inner psychic messages. Using his wise insight, the Fool has the ability to know what happens before what happens, and avoiding many disasters. The High Priestess says our intuition is our first sense. It allows us to sense the invisible and the unspoken. This is not intellect. This is where you recognize certain things and just know that they are true. Your intuition is a moment of clarity, epiphany. So open your eyes to the unseen.